If WhatsApp is banned, how to unban? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix if your WhatsApp account is banned. How do you unban it? So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's say you open WhatsApp, you try to log into your account, it simply says that your account is banned. In that case, the most likely thing you can do is follow the on-screen instructions on the prompt page, such as appeal or anything as such, and then you can tell WhatsApp to unban it. But if you don't see that pop-up, in that case also it's very simple. Open your browser. Go to whatsapp.com/contact. I'll also make sure to drop a link below, whatsapp.com/contact. When you go to the website, you can see you'll have the contact page for different type of options on WhatsApp. You can contact for WhatsApp Messenger, WhatsApp Business, or whatever else. In this case, mine is WhatsApp personal account, so Messenger account. So tap the contact us button here. Once you tap on the contact us button over here, first of all you have to do is make sure to enter your phone number, enter the email address, and reconfirm the email address so that WhatsApp can send you an email over here. Now over here, how do you use WhatsApp? You can select Android, web and desktop, or whatever else you prefer. And in this case, in the message box, you just have to let them know that I think it was a ban by mistake. You did not violate any terms and community guidelines. WhatsApp basically just randomly banned your account, so you would like to appeal to the decision. And you can tap the next option. It'll ask you for a couple of other details, and after a few working days, WhatsApp is going to get back to you whether they would unban your account or not. So it all depends upon WhatsApp. It's not really upon us. Even if we didn't do it, if WhatsApp accidentally does this, we can simply appeal it, but it's upon them to remove the appeal or not. This way you'll be able to fix if WhatsApp is banned, how to unban. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.